This will be a quick update on this Wiki robot I designed. I released it like a couple of days ago. I got the AMS unit going on my Bambu Lab A1 Mini, and I printed the body in multicolors. To get that to work, though, I didn't have these letters big enough in my original body design, so they wouldn't show up when I printed it with multicolor mode. So I've updated that file and put it on Thingiverse, and I'll put it on printables here in a minute. But this was done and with three colors of red, black, no, four colors, gray, black, red, and white. Unfortunately, I ran out of red while I was doing the body, and I didn't have enough to do. These are supposed to be red in the feet, but I went ahead and printed them in black just to see how it come out. And I think I did real good. There are some highlights right here. This was white, but I don't think I got it thick enough. But it does make an interesting look for it. In the original Wiki robot on the TV show, you could barely make this stuff out. I think this is probably close enough. It looked like these were made out of aluminum bar stock, and maybe they took some white strips of styrene or something and glued on there. That's just a guess because you really can't see it very clearly. But I'm very pleased with the way this came out. Since I can't paint, it's obvious. This is, even though it took forever, I think the body took 10 hours, but I did print it in a little higher resolution, I think 0.16 layer height. The feet took, I think they took 3 hours for some reason. You know, these only took about an hour, the legs, so that's weird. I did color these in black up here to kind of hide that, but it still works. And it looks a whole lot better. So I've already updated the files on Thingiverse, and I'll update them on printables. I've also included the Bambu Studio project files, so you can start with where I was at and do whatever you want with them. I've included it for the body, the legs, and the feet. So thanks for watching.